Yo, 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 I'm Jesse Crowe, the traveling scientist, here in a town called Biggs, in a place called Butte County. Or maybe it's called Butte County, I don't know the pronunciation. The point is, I like Biggs, but, and I cannot lie. Anyway, bad jokes aside, if you watched my video last week, you would have seen that I just bought this sweet ride off Craigslist. Now I get that it's a minivan, it ain't the coolest vehicle ever, but I'm going to take it for a big adventure around the States, so I need to deck it out. I think it's time to pimp this minivan. This is where I want to play. Now I already got some sweet carpet in here, got some curtains already decked out up the back, that all came with the car. So I'm going to put a sweet platform in here, right? And below I'm going to have some storage, and up on top, I'm going to put a hot tub. Or maybe a bed. I guess I need a bed.
We're also going to chuck a power source up in the front. Going to put a fridge in the back to keep my food ice cold. Chuck some shelves in the back. And I'm going to tint out all of those windows.
Now all this stuff sounds pretty cool, right? And I got a workshop to put it all together, but first I'm going to need some supplies.
Gotta love Home Depot. Need some wood to build my shelves and platforms. Need some storage tubs. Ooh, wheels. Alright, now I've got everything I need, time to go home and chuck it all together. Now a lot of people think woodwork is a bit of an art, but with all the measurements and calculations, I think it's more of a science. Maybe it's both. Let's say it's both. Alright, all finished. So in the back I got my big platform. Underneath that platform I got some storage tubs. On top I chucked a bed for sleeping. And next to that we got an esky to keep our food ice cold. In the space under the window I put a shelf to keep all my essentials, like Rubik's Cubes. I got 2 more storage tubs at each of the side doors. In the front I've got an inverter to charge all my cameras and equipment. And those windows are all tinted up so nobody's looking in.
Alright guys, so this ride is officially pimped out and ready for living on the road while I'm exploring around the USA. Now I've got lots of awesome science videos coming up real soon, so if you haven't already, subscribe for more traveling science every week. And if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Finally, if you've got any other ideas of how I can pimp out my minivan even further, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get around to it. Anyway, thanks so much guys, I'll see you from the road. Cheers. And then on top of the platform, I'm going to put a pool table, air hockey table, beer pong table. And then just here, I'm going to put a stripper pole. Yeah, that's right. We're going to build a second story, make it like a double-decker minivan. Just going to put a DJ set in the back so I can just pull over and like play some tunes. I'm going to put some sweet subwoofers here and here. I'm going to put a bar up there for drinking and stuff. Not drinking and driving, you stop and then go to the bar and get yourself a drink. So